How to use the Sacred Elements candles in meditation. A simple way to deepen your meditation is to bring in the elements. Before you begin, choose one or more candles based on what you feel you need in this moment. Let it be intuitive. If you feel somewhat ungrounded, choose Earth, Sanctum, to ground your body and bring you back into presence. If emotion is moving, choose Water, Aqua Solace, to soften, release, and allow flow. If you feel low or stagnant, choose Fire, Ember, to awaken energy and reconnect you to your inner power. If your mind is busy, choose Air, Whisper, to create space, clarity, and ease. And if you simply want to rest in being, choose Ether, Quintessence, to expand into stillness and awareness. When you're ready, light your candle or candles, close your eyes, and take a few slow breaths. Let the elemental energy support you. Gently continue in your meditation as the candle or candles burn and radiate a healing glow of energy all around you. There is nothing you need to force. You may work with one or combine several, allowing the elements to harmonize within you. A simple ritual to return to balance again and again. Sacred Elements Collection by InnerCandescent Company. A retreat at your fingertips every day.